Welcome to this basic Excel video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you most of the basics that you need in order to get started using Microsoft Excel. I'll be using Microsoft Excel 2019 for Windows. But if you're using a different version of Excel or if you're using a Mac, there will be very small differences. For most of the part, 90% of what I will be showing in this tutorial is applicable for most versions. To get started, make sure you install Microsoft Excel correctly, and after you have installed the software, you can simply click on Start and type Excel and click on the Excel icon. There are several ways to start Excel, but this is one of the most easiest way. Once you start Excel, you will see a screen where you will see blank workbook and then a couple of other templates. Templates can be extremely useful and it can improve your productivity and scale your business. There are many editable documents where there are many ready-made formulas which you can use. You simply need to give inputs and you can get results instantly. For example, if you click on the new icon and if you see at the lower right corner, there are lots of templates. So I'll be showing you one template so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. So let's start with the expense report. Just click on the expense report, and as you can see, there is a pre-formatted text and it's like a form. So we'll just start typing. So this is a sample purpose. You can type in the company name, the statement number, the name, and blah blah. We can write something. So I'll be showing you how you can get an idea of how it works. So I have filled out the form and let's see what it looks like. So if you click on file, you can just click on print and you can see that it has already pre-formatted form. So there are many templates that you can use from. So in this case, you can browse the templates and have a look at most of the templates. But for now we'll be focused on the blank workbook. So I will click on the blank workbook. So let's go to our main screen, go to file, then click on new, and we'll click on this blank workbook. So the Excel new blank workbook is now open. So what the first thing you will need to know is to get familiar with the layout. At the top of the Excel, you'll see there are some tabs. So we have the file tab, we have the home tab, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, developer, help. And when you click on a particular tab, it opens up a ribbon. So this is the ribbon, and now each ribbon is divided into groups. So you have the font group. So if you click on the home tab, you will have the clipboard group, font group, alignment group, number group, styles, cells, editing, and so on. In the groups at the lower right corner, you will see a small arrow that is pointing in the lower right side. So we'll call it a launcher icon. So if you click on that icon, it will show you more information on how you can use that group. So for example, if you click on the lower right corner of the font group, it will show you a expanded version of all the options that you can use. So inside the group of the tabs, there is a very limited space, and these are the most and widely used options. But if you need some more options, you have to click on that small icon, and in this window you will find a lot of other things. For example, if we click on the number and if we click on time, as you can see, this is one option that you can't find it in the earlier group. So That is very important. So you can explore by clicking on the small little arrow in each group, and you will see that there are more options that you can choose from. I hope that you are now familiar with tabs, ribbon and groups, and in the next video I'll be showing you the bits and bytes of spreadsheets in Excel, which is the most important and fantastic thing in Excel. I hope you have enjoyed this video and hope you will definitely get more knowledge in the next videos. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, I will request you to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for your time, and see you later in the next video. Have a great day.